Hello everyone, this is a short overview of another non-high-tech gadget, but for me it's a really cool gadget that you can use in your kitchen, and it's called Elegant Life Stand Mixer. That's the model number. It comes with a good detailed manual. All the attachments, they were separately placed, and I just took them out. So I just turned it on. If you want to lift and to change the attachment, you just have to pull it down and then it lifts automatically. And then here it's flashing right now. You have 6 speeds, and I'm just gonna show you like how it's gonna work when you select speed 1. As you can see, it's moving. That's speed 2. That's the speed 3. And the P is like the very intense speed. Well, we're impressed. Quite a cool gadget.